ama mami weighs 82 ken onzi bi mara sisien ya mi gina he ya na oda modo a na onyem de na onyem de na onyem de mesesa asamen senyi mai hwa membe ke bi obi anyu a wa abodam de fine girl da mi ma be gina ha ma be yakwase asam dam adwin onye adwuma ha mezem ma wo ma ba mi ma wa mi ma ba mo po chaw anchor president of Asen state to say continent anchor Asen president share mandanya wo last time minchefo no ni me de ibidim rinjin zo si abutan enyan nem ba agba no wa ba agba na mazebakwa agba no ho na mza akobbo fom ehwe ne ntuma akomala man fa ahoma nsa no women de begina ha mpekwa se sam se wo ba na se ba de riba baka sami bia empama na eta sam o kan mi de ho mu binim wanti binim so wati so wase akohwinti wase wanti one friend mam asene for one president one friend mam uncle pocho enyo video na brede oh aya botra zina me ma bon kakra thank you motimata wa hwe messen de hey say it e commenter mobozin na ma me hu de wo ba na bonfo a wo lidi ahin since ya text me mama kan wasam wona wo wazi dunya sister bi wazi do oye munua wo friend lidi ahin onye ne kunu broni bi nanse wototo onwum bi a me wona na minimos moye no nchama ama pin no kor o send am now I with this lady on there right now Lydia Ahin from Ola. Shout out to Ola. I was with her when we were both lured into somebody's house, not owned by him then, but that's where he was staying. This is how I conceived this supposed prostitute, who is also a drug addict. Now, you all saw my ex. This is YouTube video. Oh, nasa na mala mre concert. As in ekruso ha America sa one first screen sa open asofu mpo otum we ya abode bi wa ba ni go baby if you watch with the one you want. Mama mdwen mo. Hey. Aba se ko America na mai na deviate. Papa na asene from one president ni wa. Ozi wa tum wa betina TV do say ni him phone. Wa ba ye wa can carry shoulder, they carry shoulder. They carry shoulder. They talk. They yob. Okay. For the sake of my mother, Madam Rebapai, I'm my papa. Oh, you're gonna. In fact, okay, na papa na American some woman won't say. But ansana, can you Japan or Babana Bakade or woman who has some in your mother prison that watch him into and then watch him here, Modocket on here one state to America. Medbewo, Waframa was a versus the United States of America. Children when as in Yasumi. Me ye, Pomoy, Muhumpo, then Yankupon be Jim. Into one and then. Hey, as the president, Sepedeba can dress a mukuna, Mamma can't run. Or the Makamuka same. We send a mambanket in Kitabian. When you the home papa, will Moshe Frigi. Into heck and Japan, men you are very rough. Boy, I'll tell you, well, Monka da we couldn't approach. Can you Japan Melamunko the way could be on the sock chief for me, Munhuni, my men who be as a maca. Munhun the way could be until you and one fountain being that way. And your COVID, I COVID decide you know, no COVID in on cry. If I was with the baba in Tisha tap. But my parent had a beginning, well. Those in Nigeria, stop sending messages to my children. I love you all. Find a Ghanaian around you to explain to you what I'm saying in English. There, Papa no, man can't tell my friend the way him into Hong Kong one fan pado. In your more Jerusalem Street in me. I mean, thank you. Into my bureau. Remember a kakame be now wash home papa. He made a mistake. So the fuck what? What's sister? Why are they? Men pedam shishana horoba. Ima. Mo 24 hours about to zasha horoba papa. Echa me yi me yefunu ho a kire ho. Party bi anyem ho a muntumi yi nkire ho. Wu na hwe. Ihu na ebone a. Wu na hwe. Inta amala mfa mo. Kene Agyapong we tete ho every day. Mewo. Wana kadaka. Wara dama enyansasam na ezi wusi awu na esin de wo fra kwame akompreku na chide mopocho brother ati bi na wo fra no Google ni bi wo wazi na ejita ne da sister si brother ni nchanya na wo ba wo Google azi na mam azi na am kan sisi an wo fra ne da wo so na obi mu da awu na etina misma ma obi a sisi mo do esin date of birth papa no was wezi 16 day Kenya Japan wa confer honorable was amono anyway nchami ma the prison da on the prison da ami minchefu ani hey why deport with that so when deport with that hu yankopon ne kase oh dem jina oh no so nchefu no wan chamre kasa wa haso me you wezo next episode emba oh jai as no live please don't send me messages. I will mention your name and insult you or curse you. In fact, give me the Bible. Let my mother know that I was trained. I am in the spirit of cursing Kenya Japan the way he cursed my daughter. And I want to curse all the other 21 other children left of it because Mr. Wamakan. Kenya Japan import chow. Muria, Mr. Mortanian, no one bay. My papa on bed, this is it. Nti botwa na atwen ntwensa kwakada mpebet wona chana pa I was 16 as I was from me pede Google in the year 16th June 19 us have 67 7 and I'm abono na 60 or 60 20 years hey already 60 afim he's turning 60 so which year was he born? I don't know that math. Listen, watch out, my body. Why is this man? On fam. Na some kind of man no njo ibi o kweta on fam. Wo birthday na wo pede 60 aba abatina ho. Indo na etima abatina ho. Aka number 4. Aneo. Hey. Mama da what's no titi amin. Ma wo last time ebobo dem zinin. Yeba wo fie no. If she's dead to you. You told my daughter she's dead to you. So are you. So are you. Inkosiani eyi snap na esi wono me de dome mia me ho se o ndome no dos nti me ma nya o de se me kwana me dome ho me de dome mia me ho se me enkosi se Nyankopon be frɛ me mi wo na me na me wo obi enkunkura wa wo be wuti Kenya Japan bala mu nsura ma mi de ihuru na nhwu na mom se botuma ahwe wa ahwe ma montonsu bikonu off your light brother dum light na me heda ha ba yesuma dum light what dum light mewa dum light men so Kenya Japan if you are the light in my life and that of my daughters off farm in your TikTok in your tactic off farm I get generator. What do my into the air conditioner? The one where you feel super air conditioner on super hey, Munche when you can Japan now. Why but no honor or shisha urban? Oh, mamma, one brother for Canyon, Mosha $1. More building, mamma, $1 per we are seeing. Hey, Obiabafa was a soil of 5 CDs, baby. Mosha $1. Oh, man, big the sauce, my one may be done some furniture from Bobo. May assure, I believe, okay, let me speak English now. I'm very sure some people are disappointed looking at me saying, oh, how does this fine 48-year-old three baby mama, unfortunately, is having babies with, anyway, standing here looking like a comedian. I am not mad. I am a mother. And I am a father too. So, It's what? It is 16 June 1960. Okay. Into 16 June 1916. Or your Thursday. Into Chida Kumbreku. Oba no baba chechebu. Mamu Debbie was in Toby. Because Miss Subana me pedamatas. I'm is a mammy ma bada. Ma me here evaluation. Also my banon me in your yampa. Ma me chre no malamazin ma. Dama ho watching home ba. Guinness phenomenon. No way is it 21. Don't chef wait. Hey, my son, Jesus knows them brand bay. Or sit there. He who has no fault has the first stone. See, if you know you don't know, shut up. Mumba dam na mebe jahana my first teller was in Japan. Dama teller was in Japan. Who's one chef any? The reason why I'm going to dress you up, shape you well, so that you can put belts in that your fat stomach. I'm telling you, you did well. Supposedly, wukun osami manda wase. Eye bosuma na eye hin. Abrofo beba ho word na awu Stella Wilson. Abrofo beba ho na siefia. Ehwa na musumi finti. Check ne na bia ye ni anu malem konfam ho. Empem nyu anya ma asem na menyi no fi ma me yefum pom. I don't give a fuck. Oh sorry. Facebook fo me krasi nyai. Wa fan cham. Oh, hey. Sorry. Mon kabio. Sister American asem yo hwe maban. Na awonyi benyi ne te. Okay, one check maban 94. Woman Stella Wilson no fan wedding certificate in bra. Na you heard any wedding certificate in or ya be date no shadow for this woman to insult me. Come cry. Stella, me chefu enyu. Stella Wilson in Japan. Kaka chewu kun ken. There she shama her by swear I will never say anything until I got a fine opportunity like this and I've got it. You insulted me. Oya nkwa ma mpeda monka wa hasisia ba menya ho adagir. Iwie no check paper na ema ukunin ozibey da me man sign. Mama wo maba wo nhwe no anya hwi. Wo piasa ka ho mafa ma ho. Okay. Stella, that insult, you better come and take it back because some smash when I got deported and got back to Ghana, I came to your filthy house. I say that because I was able to tell you to your face. I asked you, Auntie Stella, if you was yes, you ha. Next man, I'm you. Now, no wonder because I'm Munsrazi. Movie and a mukomun kotojo and installed upon says and that's some American Mugo. Winter for you, Miss Boko Shabano. Na Shina Apostle on me. I went on my knees. And I said thank you to you. And I said you've done amazing. Who can chill away and share me with us? What that can tell it, yadio. Woman and net a chip benkuta. Will be sunder what is a lad la nosi benkuta. Man and the Murugua one. Nanachi, no man the Mugua one. I may be say, Wabada Massa. I was 21. I might be say, Wabada Massa. Ken, for the respect of my mother. And then I see. Hey, what's more? What Papa na some no work and say, back kada man calm down we want. No, 204. What Papa can eat upon him? 204. And yeah, I've had it. I have had it. On my young call 1-on-1. Miss, I will revisit everybody's, but I want to play something. But before then, say Esi Baba Bekesa, she's my daughter. She's not yours. She's not your daughter. Let to desist. Me manism on so hey me do me so bo me bani di enya wo ba mama ba ma begina man san nim na me ka me ba menka. Ken, may God strike me dead if I ever take a dime from your ass. I have never ever taken one dime from you. Mimbisa ya na one fan mami o. Mimbisa bi da. She's going to be 26 next month. Minimum no 1 year. Almost ye fanka. No, a table. Or a table. Mrs. Sobi Baba can bua send you have more power. Huh? And I was one baby. Bible, no, okay, brother. For Mama Kankan. This is the Bible that I want to read for Kenny Japan now. On Cisia, why unofficial mayor of religious studies. Listen, this is in the Bible. Oh, please don't let your hand. It will hurt you. I can't see from that far. I'm not. Okay, okay, then let me do that. He says, what you've given me is not it. You've given me Psalm 91. Please open your Bibles to Psalm 109. Your Bibles. So I've put the traditional people down because my father is taking a shower in heaven. He'll be down soon. So don't worry. I'm going to read it for you. Agyapong, I don't want anything from you. I just want you to go back to your cubicle at Oman FM and use that your same tongue, Assembly I came from a banon, men, son coming. In yet the massa at Chinaba, mamma 17th in Bow. Womb bano, my baby Jane freedom, my power on cocoa. Exact words you used, I'll use it for your children. 1. Your baby mama is 1. Anyway, before I read the thing, this is my challenge to you. My daughter is, you're right, I am too. Please, I don't know about you, but I know about at least one of your daughters. That one, I know the powder. Not the one that they put in baking soda. Corona was this shame. What baby out now? What New Jersey? All I need is for me and you and my daughter and all of your other children. We will go and do hair follicle test. You are very smart. I know you know all of it. I will do every test there is with me and my daughter, and so will you. And I will beg the courts of the public opinion that they should give me a platform where these results will go directly. Please, don't allow me to prove myself, to save my daughter, for your children to lose their jobs. Don't do that. Don't do that, Ken. Don't do that. Maybe I will fear 22nd something to you. When I for next day, we bet now TV so sank a boom me beer ampa blow man. Won't ferry po bear magramu emreshe bejendi. What bet na TV so say Midland girl no say yam bruno. If you send up boy now, I was in a new sabo fruit. Ochin bo fruit, I would have my bread and can me send you message. It's not over through conton. Papa, he's a lawmaker. How do you allow him to sit on a TV station and say crap like she should be beaten? I think she said something wrong because even one of my baby mamas was at my house. This is pathetic. You have my pity. You really do have my pity. You do have my pity. Won't we a mob bar? Won't we unquon? Won't we a men powder hair in some in them whooping damn a meeting. I will can pedamitrawazi be. Damn a meeting no see what we fear when you want. Murba recording in chef when ma won't crawl for now. Why your production a bear winsome man and one cry one. Ma one can analyze them, one fan come out and ask more analyzing. As I'm American. Good evening, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, President of the nation. Good evening, Her Excellency, Madam Rebecca Akufo-Addo. I don't know if you will remember me, but I am the lady that came to your house the day before the first appearance in court for the pink sheets time. I came there on a Sunday, and Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo was amazing. And they gave me audience. Who am I? Me, Mara, Ami. Me, would you never can indeed matem down when you would take a seat because me need the yard or do matem. Hey, need there. China Basso live. Some people say, oh, hey, and you know, I don't fear no for that anybody more. You make them I don't fear no for. My fall me made to for my Michelle. Hey, okay, if you are in a picture bay. Na my ye gaman pedamushe. If you are a picture and cabasan, the sister, when no one shall die young con. Mammy, Mona Shamona, why, oh, yeah, I'm a come on, not Now, family who they may at home when we stretch marks in Yak in Japan. Before one mato. Would tin the ye? Who can a Japan? Would tea ne sisuna? Why are there shovel no? Nay, mount. Some me, man, winning. Missing me, what I mean, you can say, dear. Eh, Nadia, na yao. A yard you man, I say, dear. And why I do? Maybe I guess I can. I don't around from. Let me get back here. Mube fua masama yan kwasieza anhwe ameso anade maka kambo sem ti won jam me journalist obi ara mfa mu nkwaji aje oh ida ho aje ho he gbetu ya kawa thank you ata oh how mama kan kanazin. If you know how to curse people, including my daughter, you will learn quickly to stop. Just come back and say everything that was alleged. I had that Chinese girl, that Chinese idiot now, or Timmy benefit you Chinese or whatever. Hey, Anel, find a way of sending me her info so I can share it for people to tell her that bitch. Sorry, Facebook. My dream, two sides me a one can trend, my fan am at. Second, Japan, I know, but you get on the door. Send a girl to open door, do you know? That ain't my problem. It's your prerogative. But, and some those crap she embellished. Bottom line is, you want people to know my daughter is a drug addict. She is. And so are all the others. I say mine is, and I am too. And I'm saying you and I and the late my beautiful daughter and all your other whatever you have. Boa hwano. Send you to me the lawyer for you turn bass me 32 no. Boa womba no hwano. Na basin. My yanka hair follicle test. Result in one from Ghana for ma omon jaji. That's all my dare for you. Those your daughters. What's in me bani ashawo? Ye wuna wose me bani say bedi me no. Na so nobody say bedi me. Me say se we ndi mi a ubehu. Se we ndi me ubehu me ma chance no. Oh, but ma sorry. In fact, I can come Bible. Can you Japan? Listen. This is from Psalm 109. Please, can you hold this one? I want to concentrate on this. I don't want them to see my little. Hey, give me what I'm here. So, Psalm 109. Oh God, whom I praise, do not remain silent. For the wicked and deceitful men have opened their mouths against me and my daughter. It is not there in my daughter, but I have to add it. If you don't understand, go to bed. They have spoken against me and my daughter with lying tongues, with words of hatred. Hey, can you three more deal? What's it me papa ejimi? Me papa na me dana say. Awu yo kwamna. Me we na mama na nsa na me bisa no question. Say woni won crofo ba me fie. Say na mo me wu na obeka. Una beka dia na woni webusianfo ba be yesa sada na wo be wa me because na wo kwa yi wedi mu ni de wa kwa ye dada. My father was so angry with me with what the hell I don't remember I did that. I don't regret that I might have done. I would do it again. Went to meet Ken to tell him that he shouldn't marry me. You remember when Christina Mampo came to Ghana and she met the beautiful Moesha Budon? People insulted her. Moesha, I'm sorry, that time I was dumb. I think I said some foolish things. But I know I deleted it when I got some sense. You can check if I stand corrected. But I came back to my senses and I told people around me, I saw on my ex, this happened, that Moesha Budon actually did too good, but she didn't articulate all of it. You think I want to go to sleep with a man? So, plus, please, people listening to me, if Kanetopon says I'm lying, he can come and curse me. He never dated me. He never had the strength that today the carry shoulder can't say. Eh? He couldn't even tell me so penny. He had to pay somebody. Ken, you know the crap I can say. Send out to me can you be mudiano. Send out to me can why you mudiano. Me come here. Young and I are very disciplinarians. Why are you calling this girl her name? Why? You sound like you are quizzical. As a whole camper, you don't know if you are sure. She is a prostitute. Do you know why? You are a prostitute, and so am I. Hey, I shower confuna, I shower, I'm a ho. No, I shower late. Who be didn't attempt. Dear woman who be a better can come dear. Because Homeland Security for what check, Mama, what do you question my record? Question my record, I got deportation. What's this to be now? I had the Kotoka name Kotoka, Porcupine. Wouldn't Crawford Temidi, but didn't mean man, you're being deep for Mrs. Williams. Mama Kosati, I didn't choose him. You know I didn't choose him. My mother came to the house to tell you that how dare you lure little girls into your house and harbor them. You go angry. Listen, Ken, all I ask for you from you, I swear on this, if I ever ask you for a dime, since you've seen me, I've never asked you for you to even say I have or I don't have. Sometimes you brag. Why I say brag is it never came, so it's a brag. Okay? You calculated that as soon for Sue that you, and when you calculated that time she was 24. We are dating in Area now. We're in 10 years. Say she's 26 into my channel. 16 years from 0 to who wouldn't remember statistics for her. He came here. Those of you here that don't know what happened, he came to insult my daughter. And Kay said, and our bro, hey, if you have a child, I am reading here. Please don't worry me. I'm not a journalist. If you have a child and you think I am doing too much, may war visit your children in 100-fold. Mimi ban mimi bread. Na me ana me hwe ma ade. Why associate? Why apprentice? You say she's dead to you, and so are you. You're mentally murdered. Me who wo Dubai. Wo me who wo Dubai. Okay. Me who wo Dubai. Play okay. Now when they land that wo baby mama na. Sister is the defender. Straight. I salute you, ma. Hey. She. Bra. Never you want no. Borno. People who understand me, my dad used to curse my big brothers. Those who know, mind your business. Sasem ne be if you any ufia be come there because I come as him. Na menya adaje, mimi wa adaje o. Me ba betena ho akenkan se me kenkan. Na waka kwase asem a somewhere come out me be pa won so. Me pa o. Me ni adaje aye de court ma court too many court e wa America. Ma agi degree na ewi. Nti won say ha. And some of us can say some. Don't come and say shit on my timeline or wherever else if you don't know the story. Okay? Please, you have children too. You have children. You have children. Psalm 109. Oh God, whom I praise, do not remain silent, for the wicked and deceitful men. Please bring it here so I can. Let me sit. I just want to read it. You people, you've read it. I want to read it. So, if you manuaba. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. So, ube brawo uba wa midway clinic achimota. Theodora choto teko or makola oton cosmetics. Munko bisano. Ono na no mama ediani o. Chai. Oh God, whom I praise, do not remain silent. Or say, he said, whoever complained about Nanama McBrown doesn't know that Nanama McBrown suffered to have her baby. That was her second baby. This was my first. I was only 21 when you made someone come and steal me. Okay? I was in the hospital alone. I thank God I'm not crying. And then you told me that when they told you I had delivered, you were in the swimming pool with Stella. Let Stella know that I had no idea she was there. I was never interested in you. Ever. Like I said in your house, Christy heard me. And don't worry, I have a surprise for you. Should I play the audio first? Or I should read this first? Okay. O God, whom I praise, do not be silent, for the wicked and deceitful men have opened their mouths against me. They have spoken against me with lying tongues. With words of hatred, they surround me. They attack me without cause. What's your cause? My baby so school fees, sir. Hey, brother. My baby so school fees, I'm Rosha Mazi. Samutan Muho, Samutan Menufo. Woman, I mean, woman. Who actually we are? Maban mama catch your down and there was no Kotoga embassy. My catch any human in your do. What's so with the wire? Ashawa, you dear no Sufi. Woman, I'm your wine. Who papaya cra? What sister? No quinin, no demon. No, let me fit any. You send a driver bringing. Nabasa. Okay. With words of hatred, they surround me. They attack me without cause. In return for my friendship, they accuse me, but I am a man of prayer. You might not know that. They repay me evil for good and hatred for friendship. You see, those of you sending messages, why I want to insult you because I don't have time to read is, you all know this already. Okay? Appoint an evil man to oppose him. Let an accuser stand at his right hand. When he is tried, let him be found guilty, and may his prayers condemn him. May his days be few. May another take his place of leadership. May his children be fatherless and his wife a widow. May his children be wandering beggars. May they be driven from their ruined homes. May a creditor seize all he has. May strangers plunder the fruits of his labor. May no extend kindness to him or take pity on his fatherless children. May his descendants be cut off, their names blotted out from the next generation. May the iniquity of his fathers be remembered before the Lord. May the sin of his mother never be blotted out. May their sins always remain before the Lord, that he may cut off the memory of them from the earth. For he never thought of doing kindness, but hounded to death the poor and the needy and the broken-hearted. He loved to pronounce a curse. Why are they? May it come on him. Every curse that you have uttered, may it come on you and all your generations to generations to generations. He found no pleasure in blessing. May it be far from him. He wore cursing as his garment. It entered into his body like water, into his bones like oil. May it be like a cloak wrapped about him, like a belt tied forever around him. May this be the Lord's payment to my accusers, to those who speak evil of me and my children. But you, O sovereign Lord, deal with me for your name's sake, out of goodness of your love. Deliver me. Deliver my children, for I am poor and needy, and my heart is wounded within me. I fade away like an evening shadow. I am shaken off like a locust. My knees give way from fasting. My body is so thin and cant. I am an object of scorn to my accusers. When they see me, they shake their heads. Help me, O Lord, my God. Save me in accordance with your love. Let me know that it is your hand, that you, O Lord, have done it. They may curse, but you will bless. When they attack, they will be put to shame. But your servant will rejoice. My accusers will be clothed with disgrace and wrapped in shame, as in a cloak. With my mouth, I will greatly extol the Lord. In the great throne, I will praise him. For he stands at the right hand of the needy one to save his life from those who condemn him. Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Lydia. Thank you, Anel. Thank you for people who said I shouldn't curse. That does not say I'm not going to curse tomorrow if I don't get you people getting his behind to come back to his cubicle to take back the crap he said about my daughter. If not, I will come. I have 160 eggs. Let me explain it to you. He's 60, I have 60 eggs. I have 77 eggs for the 77 gods of Cape Coast. Shemamumbo Sabranima Guafata. Emi Evgeni, me feel me fima me feja number 1. Mizazo homo asas or one sassy or homincidanda bamon sassy. In a month, Papa Sufi Stella will say Japan, Nukrumo. May you show them in Fifi. Damn assistant into a door boom because I was nice with her. You people think my daughter is mad. Why didn't she tell her father she was leaving? But first of all, how can it Japan? My daughter never dropped out of school. Dropped out in your Biawanko school. Sunday or pedos son course. Now you think she's mad she didn't tell her father. Fifi Simpson now. Airport Hills will say him for na Nirini Laurentia. One and Laurentia Niran Simpson. Law. O peak Nuran. Ken Obertina TV dun or can show Chino, Miss your school, and he did it in Point of correction, my daughter was not expelled like Stella was expelled from Holy Child. Stella, when you were Holy Child. Na essay na entertainment prefect. Minimum entertainment I will name him because most of the entertainment prefect were Archbishop Porters. This is a Catholic school. Na me mutumba if ye na wukun okoria mi film na ehu. E ho na na mba na mbehye na me amofra mabonzimu ba na mba mboto nyama mazuko school. You people want to say that my daughter and she went to sleep with a Nigerian like this or he was some nobody. Toby, I'm sorry. He finished Cornell. He was with my daughter in SOS. So what? So what? If it's that bad, my daughter was 19. She was in her final year. Now listen, this my daughter. She wrote self-friend baccalaureate of Mobi and 18. Baccalaureate as it been our SOS. She wrote that and she wrote the SATs simultaneously and passed. Nana Kufado is my witness that I went to him to tell him that Ken had gone to the school SOS, Mrs. Suhana. I will be saying Sumana Semina when you headmaster and hey, you really didn't like your daughter because I'm sure Mr. Akito when a boy now okro at this school. No consumption. Do you know how much he was interested in your daughter? You say your daughter is on drugs. Hey, do you know what people are bringing into your house? As for you, even though I'm here to curse you out, I will swear on these eggs that I can swear on my life that I cannot testify anywhere that I can associate you with any drug. That I can do for you. Asswipe. So Ruda, but Amazon and current American. But people bring it inside your house. My daughter saw it when you said I shouldn't. People think I'm mad. This man sent Fifi Fifi Simpson, that's what he came to tell me, okay? Whisked my child away from me like I was a thief. That Ken says on condition that I will never talk to my daughter again, or if I do, he will disown her. Ask him. Ask Ken Agyapong if I am lying. If I am lying, go and ask Fifi. Obe, no, you came and took somebody's daughter, Fifi Simpson. You came and took somebody's daughter and drove off as if you've done something to me for Ken's 55th birthday. Will you be happy? You, Fifi Simpson, if it was that easy, that your big sister that did abortion, that wasn't even born. Oh no, but I'm gonna okay abortion no will. We are quick and Agyapong or some abortion. I shall win him put a bump or penny. I mean, I shall win your mamma, but I'm from Monkey in Pa, Uncroft was him what also into quap about some singing. Hey, you think you are the light. I really said it. Off farm. Can I buy some? Me buy ufie no. Me be jina abontin say mbejin. This man told my daughter that constable was there. Obin Katagan. And some na mo work an odoso. Okay. But right now I want Ken to hear something. You are the only person and McCoy and everybody that was asking for Sue. And your daughter. No, mine. I take it back. Sorry, my daughter. No, or hobby. Mpacho, can the recording play? Please play it for me. I play it from that lap. Is this the highest you can go? This is a recording from a conversation that I want him to identify. And when he identifies it, Ghanaians will hear how that show went down at Asinfosu. Okay? Those of you that saw my daughter's GoFundMe, Ken makes it sound like and she was suspended, no, she was expelled, and I said I don't want her in my house, and Madame took her and tell no need buy a debut. It took a year. It took a year. Wabaka show closing. Brother baby assembly. It took a year. Stella Yazi, akolani nya chicken pox, she was suicidal. SOS a teacher for Sika me mami afon. Infi no okay, you her graduation, you didn't go. I said, what do you mean? Listen, I went to his office. All I'm saying is, before you say I could have taken another approach, I went to Nana Akufo-Addo. I went there. And he said if Nana Akufo-Addo will intervene, then he will leave the party. And I think it wasn't necessary for me to bother Nana with such matters that I can handle. I just wanted to be respectful. But since we are all pigs, bring it. If he, oh boy, ebony go waba, fine girl, go waba, yeah, chibo. Can I Japanese say obia life? I know what to do. I know you do. Do you, boo boo? Do you, boo boo? Do you? Management security for me. I want bet you there. Minyon sazi awu na egboriam na enyem dey but e ban ma mazo se na wona na me wona ada no wodo osudodo o se na yen anaparen ba na bakada me ahya wanyo na me wodam bo wachimo eduru na amukunu twane no otida paracetamol compared to drips no anyi. Listen, I am beyond pissed, but I'm in mixed emotions because I have to respect my mother. This thing won't play. Then play the one that no. Go ahead with what the thing is live. I want to play certain things. Oh, it's an station I see those in there. We bugosa. Huh? Okay, I'll for finally in the bra. Eshe na bra kada na mamunti yoko. Ay, masumato creditams mabana sam na American obi a onhwe onko asam na mpo ma ka sisi ancham ribeji ma chan wan keke nti se hwe na nya kokada Oh ma, nkampeda bazen na mi yano. The thing that he said, not mine. I want to play, and then everybody has heard it, and then I will. You can't play. Can you turn the computer off and then start all over again? Can you calm down? It's Obiarin Jayango. Yeah, so I mean, calm down. I need to play. Don't tell me. You see, now you are going to frustrate me. Please kindly let's reboot the whole thing. Sorry, I am not a cameraman. I don't work with any. Please. I have never come here to do this nonsense. But my daughter is at stake. My first love. Adele, they don't know. I got you. Some time ago, Alaji Bature, may he rest in peace. Alaji. Muyana brede akafani yankon. Picture be bad and sumbonsa me kissing me bano. It's they made it look like I was a lesbian, and if I was, I have never been. And if I was, does it buy kinky for you? Eh? What, my dear? See, I am not here to tell you to stop minding my business. Mind my business, girl. Go. But when you see me, please don't carry shoulder. Carry shoulder for the people you take care of. But your Red Bull. Carry shoulder for the people that you have been. Would you mean so? Hey, fine. Charlotte say now, why? Please, women's movement be a man be a bakamasa mama. Namala can Agyapong I am. It's not that serious. I just want to do for him boot for boot. Sahana also babano wa bakaka enyansa sama. No, na mi most mama adwini age mama baba translator konkosie samum. Nje ya ta say ya ta sa. Mitinu hu tutu mpede mu look decent mama mama. Nche mu awobom. A drug addict, a hair fabra. Fabra, that is the beautiful news. Don't worry, next time, Emma. Samerba, Mama one list of Inyama Yerbayan. State of New Jersey. Pocho, can you shut this? The Poncho won't tell, but I know when you're quarantining when she's you're acting like you're in a hurry. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, let me give you the gist. Oh, my buffum. Hey. I don't want to hear nothing from them. Where does it start from? It's true. Papa.
Outspoken Ghanaian politician.
Papa. Mopocho Mamude Azia Murubwe Eta. Hi, Rahel. No, married the cap. Once ya butter, she, me penwansa mata. Me penwansa musan, Pocho Binim Shelly from poor man, so I don't sister or friend. Sister, no, yes, senior, yes, showing. One friend on one condition. Malana must have Malamu, who send the Biaran to Minister Matabrofo Kakra. Wakan can Mutumakan can. Hey, I am eloquent. I'm fluent and I can articulate. I fearless is my. I will answer all of you beautifully, but if you say something that is foolish too, you will hear from me. I mean, what did you know? But major, hey, Mama, emotion, mommy, and I'm so razy, Sister Fairfield, damn, Mrs. Williams. Yamin tunkum, Mama. In Chowbe fearing many day, so I'm going to play it and reply as we go along. If you are sleepy, go to bed. I didn't promise you a rose garden. Obia on Sunday, I want from happy birthday. Yaw. Yamin tunkum. Omatna ho. Nenya me boa. Minyim there be okay. Be okay, ma sene ko $2,000. Ibakwa ka eninya. Ati. Nemo mabana man kasa menye mo ho de na mo wonen. Mempede kana sembio. See, so I carpentry. Carpentry. Carpentry no eh. No, we don't work. One chemistry, but they are one bar brofia was a calculator, was he as Maban what been there, ja. Or yet two, or you are better one or your course today, or for my door for cramps. Maths or any favorite subject. Never papa also asking for he said my daughter jumped the wall. Point of correction, please Ken correct me if I'm wrong. If my daughter was named after that your grandmother who used to jump your window at the village to go and drink her pure. It was your driver Pao that told me, oh, this is my egg. Us in there. One and another blele fool. Blele fool no, bloody fool. I mean papa. Nanka Saturday area, Brena and Fupan in Chennai was the 2 feet staff quarters. We are, Emma. No, or Yinisma. No, a bloody fool. And I'm very happy that no one and so a bloody fool. So now you cried, you wanna. No room to cry was sinful, so cobble. That time, and that was the drug. A pure was the drug. It is Maban, she's home. She's home as is the rest of her sisters. Mr. Womban, I miss the minimum court. Bamum bonism. Cock. Cafe when ya. Kakacha Trump. Hello, Uncle Trump. Wabandon. But I say, there, watchman. Why am I a kayazi? Ne, woman wasn't me fear call. Me ya bunny pea. I was wrong. One venture. Hey, now a woman crofane with us about my uncle. So the thing is so loud. Okay, so now this is the can you this is the audio. I want turn this off. I want everybody to listen, especially Yawakumpregu. Okay. Is it on Facebook? Please, if you can hear the audio playing, kindly say yes. Hey, nobody, please. Those of you with opinions like our noses, don't tell me you should shut up. What I want to talk about is what I want to talk about. If you don't want my topic, I am not paying you. Neither are you. Listen to the audio. Baby, I'm recording fee. This is just a snip of it. Mempao, me dream ho. My broke me da hey hope you see a do. Okay, so far they can't hear, so shut it. But I will send it. Dude, so far they can't hear. I got a message from here. So shut it. Good. That is the recording that happened at our Sinfusi. It's a snip. And it's been, I think, 2 years. Where did you see you? No, got to our station. Yeah, it's been 2 years. What up? You close in pass and marking. Must be send one. What up? Whoever, so we're close in anyone. I will send it. I have time. She's my daughter. I will. Hey, if anybody call me, okay, it's my daughter, so I'll pick. Hello? 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 Anel. Anel. Okay, play. She said, okay. She said I should get closer to it. I should get closer to it. Okay, I'll try. This one, the battery. Me pede mumbo. Me pese mimbo. Oh. What? Me pese mimbo recording. Area si enye na na ye pe sika o. Obi o no obetumi sika ntini and Mrs. So and so bi nti watena ma. Me I don't give a damn like that. Ko bi si ede. Me wa me de be kwan. Me wa me dan na trasako me be kwan. Fama me I don't want it. Just come and say how alleged it is. And so be can be bana sembiano brother. Kafa we no man. Na wombani nya na ihe nya yankon kaye testing. No one for testing come na akufado. No on Bank of Ghana baby ameze mo recordings in meze kogugun. Nwampo wanyim. Wanyim e Monday. Hey, but dada I was odam to akutiem. Hey. Yeah, some crofia worship. Sankania is a country of Chedankamo $288. Into that, hey, Namisha Manata. But Ayashi, I am a Baba Bonny Mamma, who does order Macamasa, Miss Bobby Antum for some cacan. No Biashama won't. And now please let me know if it's playing, okay? My battery is dying. Okay. Give me, I need a code. Read. Padina me born din say or candy ni two kwan na or buy or be me bano. Ye ka say was sending Nana whoever your name is that send message to my daughter that you are sorry you tried whatever with her in her father's house. I appreciate it. Thank you. I won't mention your name again. I just wanted people to know that my daughter is not a bad girl. So if the guy I just mentioned has, thank you. In due time. Sorry. Anel, can you hear? Are you there? I know. Those of you who know how to say trash, wait for Agyapong to say he's not the person on the phone. Me say me pam bia. Mo jimi no. Samo ni ma, mo yesa adwefo ene nyame nka mo yam cement. Samo wunsu na mo jimi a. Ene eno me nko mo ma no so me pembo asam o. Me pembo asam. Mo hu mi hada. Aha. Mo ni anko kan kire no. Akokọ ne brother, onya mother habemi. Me pekwase asam. Membo adam na migina hatu mempambo asam kra obofo si obebo mpae ama me ban me ka kire no se papa no no hia mpae bo kobo mpae man me hia mpae bo me wo na wo me aboa obi enkumi ami wu. Listen, Togwe Abenyo or whatever the hell your name is, you're pathetic. What? Okay, it's okay. They can't hear it. So let me make sure that it's not loud. Listen, I have time. Turn it off. Listen, this is what happened at Asun. I'm going to load it so you people can hear. Just a snip of it. And I want you to hear me and what I said. And he himself, what he's saying. And this is before the day after Neba gifty wedding. No, we're seeing for you. You're back on TV. So now, only Papa no, Mr. Lotte Jacobs. Almost one of these three. No, okay. Now we would never record them. Now we need be. Now I show you. Show you. Me daily. Me see. Me bisa $1 da since 93 and I'm more 94 until you me 93. Me I say can me pacho mam dem sikem fon koto toilet tropo mama bampo me bisa obi da. And I won't so one mammy be da. What 10 years na calculating as I applaud you, Dodo. You did me a good favor. You come and sit there and I pay this. It's your responsibility. Me ye besiaba. Munkro university bia. Manana me try put them okobia. Ba mutu mushane. And I me talk madam $125,000. Okay. A friend ni jani shen. $60,000 en kwatenzi. Mutu ya sana yerba ufie ho. Inchefu enyi mutu. Edano so what the denim. Fiti time what deporting mambe malame into my end then you baka deportation yambu bo fiefu yan shasa what's my cousin be no katina no kakeche Stella okay me picture Stella Agyapong now wo legon no also I me ba wa ka fa letin yo legon no na the boyfriend yam robber no friend na akwesi friend akwesi chim enya tiles in your fine no you put me about friend akwesi chum samobwa nchefu enyi awumpo enyekun awu enyekun me ba hihya me ahorba wukudu bala me pia na asema se ne pia bisanda 5 days no mission ni dem won menyin dead and he was a gentleman. He didn't manhandle me that time. He didn't manhandle me cry. He just kept okay. Another story. Wukunezi chimade ina iku my sister ina hey Stella awe humda na we enda na mba ofie na mribechie o na ma da wasem ibechia ma san na ereko na aka echi utumi na diribechia sam azijinjen bi nti iya wo ho poto na ezibai igbo na ehunde sana de sister if ya cham ka die mu azen aya chama kati ana sister delay am kada mu kafa kun bi alabo nyimpo betuma chen bi on cham okay mpia ha me pe wonya ho asam anyway into Mrs. Wilson Mrs. Agyapong honorable men send them this is Stella Biom fiti day na se kesi ewu cousin meji na efunu bi homa ahihya ma ahoroba na ewa Stella for the sake of this insinity men hihya wa ahoroba na bi ba moanya wo last time awu Stella Wilson Agyapong moanya wo last time na kacha wo simsen fo no so wo simsen fo na bibia wo so wan botumin kasa kira wan to honfu. This man gave a law that my daughter was not allowed to talk to me. I had to seal my daughter as if I was having an affair with her. As if I was having an affair with my daughter. My biological daughter. Meaning the kodidi wa ba mami ye dwane sa akronfo because ye didi na so mbetwe mo sedie yon ayi Lauren Shawo ayi Simpson and not testing na die and we akone mame ebe me ana me wo ma ade me ana me nyem no na me hwe ma ade ubekwa akofra wo for Captain Force na ba ma wa be kire se wo na wo se wo mane no so fa mame and na me nso me see me nantifi Roman Ridge Boster Quarters e wona na me me sister ti me nanti ni me nyinsa me nanti a ti se na me yaka because mala me nyim kwen ma kafa kwana me nanti na makwa Captain Force no na papa ye didi matem say na mkwala amaba no nyame na mkope no Captain Force sa ne wofa no ken oni made ane wofa no nka ode ya me ken mempede mu nyanya nkuti na hie mfi nsam oye nkon na mo mpede ya we de sesin de eye prakwa am so me prakwa nkal abodezi ni bi nche ta ase motum azibia ni hu akene Japan ni botum aya ani aboe ya megina he muntum nya bi meni wa aboe ye gaw na nche de jama ne ye wor na anyim na ye mabra on dem me she o baby da Ken, all I need from you is to never mention my daughter's name again. She's not your daughter. You think why they carry weight? Now when Kwana Ubari as when you win him James Taylor. Keep a cape goes to for James Taylor. Minana. All I want to say is I don't want anything from you. I curse myself. Saminji will be the Bessie and I mean Bedu, mean Pelshi. Me bano by now also won't shine me power chow. Man power chow. Men to me money better now fear. Me to me, no me money call race, no day life inside. Who call for them? And I would have bad. Brofuna ya dear president, inka Shakespeare, or your word president, Shakespeare. In Chabia, Cheno, my friend. I mean, being pink, I'm in Panama Casa, I'm betting Nana, Namwa, Waba Mark, book sister, Nana, ba. Ain't he, baby, a man can ye no. One friend jam. Ubiara, one woman banana. What my pawn chow, one man wasn't there, go find me no. Hey, I bet away fake demi. Ha na won fera was be yan no otie hwan yankwa wodi otie dua no was be yan one month ezi ba no monzi kene Japan no I feel that some akesmo them in penishing. I'm not doing this for anything from him for his good name. I don't want it. May I die if I take crap from him. But I want to say my honesty. Okay, I don't think he's a bad person. I think he's misdirected. I think he's sometimes delusional. I think I am crazy. Don't try to read me. Maybe they are no off reader. Boundness in a nyansa kakra woman and peda meshishama one. Nothing meaning so delusional. Say, was in the boat for more. Say, I watch what I will wear a hot do and we be in Wusu be weary a ho. One hour what I will honorable Nedan. One day show. Oh! A down moon in our baton interview fine film me who mobile don't come back cash in a saw her 26 years in houses how marginal as it the one that share one fine chum in your Mrs. own going to end then on your brand brain pansana and Crawford back at my ears bound from one I was my ears in your I know that. I want to play the thing and reply. Isn't that what I said? I'm in Maria concert. I as in area. I will back at him there. Hey, Bomma me ya no na mankadana 2 days in Monday. Awa. He says one of his daughters is a drug addict.
Charter schools, women picking a pala or my pay from 12. Bring them together now. On school fees reporting, not a final APR. Funding from a scaffold.
Oh, I've taken it back. I didn't know funding from a for charter schools, Nebati Fie, and now Jessica Kessie. Of course. Who will broche? Who back Kenneth? Time na who tear school fees no see opesika akoso ne ma misika so e mom dia current some type of fee okoji financial aid ubufu ye ubese no kronfo kire ubakanet ubese no kronfo kire. My daughter never I want you to come and change the story. Tell the world she didn't drop out. She changed her course just as Amanda changed her course. The difference is Amanda's school no na I to say legon wo se wonya law na be kwa akoye medicine betimi akoye girl no di nechi no no so sisan the course o makenda sutua ba me ba no sisan the course wo se mo ni ma me nkasa and I want so you are very easy to talk to. You are a sweet dad. Wo yare ye mageli try ticket fee Los Angeles $700 e dey question a loving father when New Jersey wo say enkwasi akwan way to you never gave her that $700 and let me tell you what the $700 did. She ran into overdraft munna mu amuntina abrochire da no matna Ghana Zenith Bank po was bayo ibo na odensika na what 37 he na e course okosra ni papa o okoy no pa sha ubeka so ya sha woni me say ade bia o kan o me ba no hu bia ya mpa ma me kire mala na me kire na mo ma mi na awo no na wumba na wa kenya wumba mbesi afon especially yanko ne yanka hair follicle test yanko na yanka ye na one for results one from braken hair can it will be good for you ati ntimanye murudin mu ontima no da mebe na ese nhwe man kahwe na mokrai enti why you still talking about her? Why? What the one we see no aden? Ken said na adwinbone ba wutri mo me ba no a enya no me man wo menje wo hwe yempe wo bibia yempe fa masa fa nya bi ka hunya mi hrawo nyami onya okese chense nya wotie chense nya wo ba wi a me na wo ni me da wo fam no na wo nimpa sa wo se meboa listen, if you are that awesome that you who can say mabeka bi me dia na meka do not ever let it hey when you see and disease you should know brother me say senya medimia ye bia senya me ye bia mia na woda me so na woni me da ye no intime ma me fa every time you slept with me me fa ndo Wokai pillar 2 Wokai former president Kufuor nifi ne wo fa sena na me ne wo ho pillar 2 da super care okay udi me wokai ken se wonim se me ka kire wa sin fosu se wo ho se me hu na me nim se me nkese wa na se enya me de se wo ye me ba ne papa. But me mommy say, Debbie, I just want you to give you the opportunity to use your same mouth to come back to your cubicle. But Baba will say, all I need you to say is everything you said was alleged. If you want to still say it, can become alleged show because he knew. Now, son, no pone Baba can alleged no. Brofuni na one venjam. And son never baba can alleged. Masrao. Me here testing. I'm amazing. 1000%. Obaka chede bibi. I saw the power from me with that. I saw. Was a son. No was my so I saw. Into drugs or women training. I'm power discipline one. O discipline one. Send your discipline one bano. My aunt was so. My aunt was so. My can't come on. Mamma di me banechi no. Nyamu e ni mono. Ni nyamu e chi no. Mamu kunumuni amu yire mono. May you be a test. Me pay in sisam. Listen, my computer no old. Okay? My phone is old. Moshaba. Also no ato kama ne yire no. Hey, Musumazin says 60,000 boom. Ne says 84,000 boma. Or $144,000 abesiaba. So when you me depa ma Mrs. Mezatia, my ban was in Chamusu, Masin Calezis in Madimbi. Now I have a zam the mad the lazis in there. Maba wad bien. Ebe Talezis in my one. To Toma one. Look, the thing is not playing. I wanted to play it and reply as he says it. But I think I've said enough. When it comes, I will do it. And this is a woman young boy, you man. See.
Charter schools, picky, a kola, Oma being from poor homes and bring them together. Now, home school fees in the boarding, not a pino, Adia. And funding from a scaffolding, and on the yet. And on control, or not, or in charge. All because they see Syracuse 1, Columbia 2.
They see Syracuse 1, Columbia 2, a Yale. Never ya can answer me. So only student loan a cow. See, I can see Onibia, offer them paper number. Me pay them last time I would here because the last time I'm a more question, I'm a more concern me any different. If my picture, I'm sure once I'm showing him. Me pay them as a queen so 2 years car sit down, none of ban. All students loan so only be so I stand corrected. But a ban won't wear breachy. My one won't wear breachy no so ye paper man. I mean my bunny paper no the bear no some sign no from a ban on fan kama obi for free bakru no him no na me hihye na ahoroba o send I mean my weapons in ya I 36 pia ogumenu na me hihye na ahoroba o ka kire ma ban mpo da wo maami jimifo no e na ama we nya krata e na